Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to update your Hisense TV. So first, go into the settings and then find support option and system update. Here you can enable the auto update, so it will automatically update every time there is an available update, and we can now check for the updates. As you can see, our TV is checking and it found the available update. Now you can click update now or back, but I'll just click update, and as you can see, it is now downloading the update. Depending on the size of an update, it should take from a couple of minutes to maybe an hour. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.